in the Gulf Stream, I hear the south wind roar. The bridges getting lower, shrimp boats coming home. The old man down in the corner, he slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. I was born in the rain on the Ponce train, underneath the Louisiana moon. Don't mind the strain of a hurricane, come around every June. The high black water, the devil's daughter, she's hard, she's cold, and she's mean. Nobody taught her, takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Man came down from Chicago, gonna sip that lily ride. He said, needs to be at least 3 feet higher, won't make it through the night. The old man down in the corner, don't you listen to that boy. Water be down by the pony, he'll be back to Illinois. I was born in the rain on the Ponce train, underneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane, come around every June. The high black water, the devil's daughter, she's hard, she's cold, and she's mean. Nobody taught her, takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. $30,000 in the Gulf Stream, I hear the south wind moan. The bridges getting lower, the shrimp boats coming home. The old man down in the corner, he slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. I was born in the rain on the Ponce train, underneath the Louisiana moon. Don't mind the strain of a hurricane, they come around every June. The high black water, the devil's daughter, she's hard, she's cold, and she's mean. Nobody taught her, it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. I was born in the rain on the Ponce train, underneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane, they come around every June. The high black water, the devil's daughter, she's hard, she's cold, and she's mean. Nobody taught her, it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Nobody taught her, it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans.